Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about Nigeria election. Please do bear with me, I will be back. Okay, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome to my universe. If it's your first time of passing by, you're very welcome. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're welcome to my universe. If you my old subscriber, my old friend, you've subscribed before, I love you. May the good spirit bless and strengthen you. Thank you for patronizing me. Thank you for giving me your opinion. Thank you for making me see that there are still positive energy in the world. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. The newcomers, the passing by, my new friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notification whenever I upload video. So today I want to talk about Nigeria election. Congratulations to all the candidates. Congratulations. I really congratulate you now. Oh God, the stress at the end of the day is over. At the end of the day, oh God, thank God. Rest in peace to my lovely brothers and sisters who lost their life. May the good spirit give the family the strength to look to bear this great loss. At least I just they relieve, say it don't finish for grand. I thank all the candidates many. I congratulate our President Muhammad Buhari. We like him or not, he already did it. We like him or not, he don't be president, so there is nothing you and I can do about it. When I talk, say my last video, one of the video when I talk, say who the good spirit wants make it day there, he will day there. These days I change my language. Now me get my language, now me get my word. I can change it anytime I want. I can change it anytime I like. I not believe again, say now good spirit, now they put people there. I not believe. Now people, they choose who they want to put for there. If all Nigerians vote, if all Nigerians, all adults, all everybody vote for Nigeria, now that one, now all of us go to talk, say the good spirit will put the person we truly want for that position. Nevertheless, Mr. President, congratulations. We can't change the fact that you be president. Please do your best. Help us, give us light, give us good education. Stop the SMEC, stop the Boko Haram. Do the best you can. Make all of us join hands together, pray for Ram to touch his hearts to they do better thing. If all of us continue to the cause like this, Nigeria now will move forward. So let's join hands together. Let's stop the hates. The campaign don't finish. Must stop all the train of insults. I hope you understand. Most especially to my hero, to my congratulations, most especially to my role model, Mr. Oshowore. Congratulations to all the AAC. Congratulations. Make una no worry. People they say Oshowore no win. More forget as Oshowore not popular reach, it still come out for third position. I'm really happy. We are all winners. All of us win. All of us try. I not quit make this video since then because I can't wait for my own states, because I hear many people for social media, hey, Oshowore, now they go anywhere. For Edo State, Oshowore now be third. Oshowore win the rest party. I got all of them here. I wait for my time. I wait, make I get all the results, because I like to talk something with facts. All the APC, all the all the AAC, like we made it, we tried. If you carry third for exam, if you carry third for school, your parents go buy you Ferrari, your parents go buy you car, your parents go congratulate you. If you come out for third class for class, hey God, you big giants. So this one first time, this one first time we take come out for third, this one new party come out for third. We should all be like happy. We should make we not this sad. No, we win with all the corruption, with all the bribing, with all the postponing, with all the, you understand, with all the money where they pay. What will our people? Nobody they cash with ballot boss say na show woreo na AAC member. At least all of us should be happy. Say we are all winners. We are all winners. Not listening to people. They say, hey, as una do rich oh, una not win oh. If they carry thought for school, they should be happy. For my state, AAC come out for my states 3,106. That is, we try. With the fear where they Edo State, with everything where they happen for Edo State, with the killings where they happen for Edo State, my heart goes to all the family who lost their loved ones. I really feel your pain. I know if you tell una say I know how una they feel, because nobody fits explain how anybody they feel. I just pray the good spirits just arise from our land and put peace and let peace reign. Touch each and may touch their hearts. May they feel for our parents to stop this fight, this bloodshed. With the fear of all these things where they go home for Edo States, people still come out. It's not still popular for our state. People refuse to campaign for, and people refuse to talk in matter for Facebook. People believe for social media, people believe say, hey, you know, they go anywhere, cabans, not they let them go anywhere, this, that. Where are the cabans there now? We come out for third. Is that not a wonderful thing? It beats the rest party, third position out for come out. I really happy. I really like. I'm grateful. Thanks to all the voters. Thanks to everybody who participates. I see one woman, she carry mats go where for the votes. I really appreciate all of you now for taking the risk, as everywhere just jaga for Nigeria. See people come, they put stone for ground, they mark where they did, the stress, the time, the risk we wanna take. I really appreciate, no matter anybody wanna vote for, may the good spirits guide and protect each and every one of you. May the good spirits bless each and every one of you for participating for democracy. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. I appreciate every one of you. I still appreciate people who no votes now out of fear. I understand, but make we are beg. I see people for social media, they cry, hey, Buhari don't win again. Oh, hey, Buhari don't win again. Ask yourself, you vote. If you vote, you they cry. Hey, it will make sense to the good spirit. It will make sense to God Almighty. It will make sense when you they cry. You not fit inside your room, you they wait. Make people just come vote. Make people vote. Come make somebody where you want, or make good person enter. If you vote, kudos to you. If you not vote, take the responsibility. Say now your fault. Say Buhari there for that position. Everywhere, everybody they fear, but now still person picking now come and go vote that day. So make all of us I congratulate each and every candidate. I congratulate everybody. Mr. Buhari, we get 200 million, almost 200 million. Maybe the one where they were born today, born tomorrow, or born yesterday, don't make them 2 million. So let's assume, say, adults way they will reach to vote. Make I just say maybe 130 million reach to vote, but out of 130 million or out of 100 million, more don't have 100 million. Out of 100 million, only 15 million. Okay, my dash 16 million. Now I vote for you, which is not, you know, reach average of Nigeria where vote for you for second term. So Mr. Buhari, please use this opportunity, do work for all Nigeria, not be only that 15 or 16 million you will represent all Nigerians. All of us go to pray for you. So you know, every reach halfway vote for you, Mr. Buhari. So please make all of us proud. Make the people who vote for you, no regrets. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks to my role model, Mr. Sowore. Thank you. I really appreciate all the stress. I appreciate all the things you do. I appreciate. So all the AAC members, I encourage you people to continue. I encourage you people to continue supporting AAC. When you lose, when you fail for class, you're not going to say you're not going to do exam again. When you fail for class, you just need to look what you do when not make and go well. So I really thank all of you for participating. So next 4 years, all of us today here, make we look waiting all of us do where we not do well, more try more do and well next time. Then that takes me to INEC. INEC do wuru with all the change where they change, all the postpone, they not still get material where people take votes. They not still get material where people see sufficient. They not see, I don't know money where they pay INEC, what they just they do. Where police they when people come they kill poor citizens where they're supposed to protect. Where security day where all these talks come they massacre people, come they kill people who just come out to votes. INEC waiting where una day where the security, all the money we una get, the postpone everything, una not still fit make things in order. 4 years from nothing, 4 years una don't know say election they come, so una not fit just prepare everything. Una no fit make everything fun. Una no fit put soldiers, police for units, post make it be say the election they secured. Una not just value Nigerian life. Now make we and other young candidates come they like say make Nigerians are beg, may they vote for new person. Even the INEC people, may they remove them, may they put young youths, may they put people who never corrupt for mind, may they put people where don't tire to suffer. Now make all of us come be the campaign so that new chassis go they go see all the corruption, try to fix things. No problem, 4 years not far again. When person tell you say me can't take your money 4 years time, quick come up for them, make 4 years not commit you. So I really don't know how INEC say they prepare their election process. 4 years reach for person say secure secure good security, prepare everything, make everything they okay, because you don't already know say na every 4 years. So I really don't know. All my Nigerians all over the world, all my Nigerians outside Nigeria now, we will make this change. We don't see them with this election. Say when we say make people with their house do this change for us, it's not possible. One, they not get lights. Two, they never ready to change because they still believe, say they need somebody to tell them what to do. So we don't see as election for Europe be, make we beg, make we join hands together, make we protest, make we go each embassy, make we tell them to make us beg they fit vote for Western world. I beg come out for any of your social media platform. Put your hashtag Buhari make us vote in Western world. Put any hashtag to make we feel they vote for Western world. I beg each and every one of you. Now we will be the change we want. When we feel vote for Western world, believe me we will get the change we want. People wey dey house, they never ready to stop to they collect 5,000 for line. They never ready to stop. So make we beg, we go each embassy to ask them, to tell them to please fix our home, fix the election process. Nigerians they not get faith on our election process. Now make people not go. People they fear for their life, and it's their right to be scared of their life. Your safety is your #1 priority. See one woman, I know if you show the video. I know if you show the video. I know if you show the picture. When she just want to go vote, somebody that is butcher her as if they butcher meats for slaughter. Somebody do am. Police they not just feel help. They carry and reach police station with Buhari picture and everything picture for the office. They say me they carry and go Gwagwalada.
How can you just say they should produce to Gwagwalada? Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm telling you something. This is my work. I'm telling you. If I drop this guy, I cannot do anything.
No first aid.
Am I not delaying you?
No first aid.
You can't give her first aid.
First aid, nothing.
Okay.
Then refer from here to Gwagwalada.
Bring him. But I'm telling you what is important. This guy is bleeding. Do you understand? The time we waste here, you will reach Gwagwalada. Do you understand? I'm just a volunteer. I don't know her, and nobody knows her. We just found her on the highway. Nobody knows her.
You can't give her first. Can't you give her first aid first?
Bring her. But I'm telling you what is right.
Give her first aid, then we'll take her anywhere.
Where do you listen?
Who are your people now? We don't know her. Nobody know her. This man did not know her. I didn't know her. We found her on the highway. That's what I'm saying. We don't know her. Like, I don't know you now. I don't know you. You don't know me. But we are all Nigerians.
You are saying you don't know.
Yes, now. You say I should carry her. Is it my property? She's not supposed to be my property. She's supposed to be a government property. Because we found her on the way. And I just volunteer. I'm a voluntary person here this morning. Let them carry her, then you refer her later. We have given you what we know. We don't know her.
Then they say me they carry and go Gwagwalada. They don't feel rush and put for their motto. Nigerians don't get ambulance. They don't feel rush this woman put for hospital carry. They don't feel rush and put for motor carry us go hospital. They say me good Samaritan, good citizen. Where you see citizen like them, where you see citizen like can say is abandoned. Choose to help them. The people where supposed protect their citizens. Say make citizen good Samaritan. They carry and they go Gwagwalada. If you not carry and come out, if he die, they speak all those big English. That is why we needed fresh people for that power. That is why we needed it. So this woman, oh God, I don't know. Make we beg my Nigerians. Make we take Nigerian back. I never lose hope. Say we go fit take Nigerian back. I never lose hope at all. So AAC member, not lose hope. Not lose hope. I beg you. They slaughter this woman. Just see say some Nigerian youths never ready to change. They see one NYSC girl still thief ballot paper. People they burn ballot paper. Make we do it from abroad. Make we do the vote from abroad. Make all of us hold hashtag for social media to say may they make us the votes. You will see they will pass the law. When we begin go they protest for embassy. We are Nigerians. We should be able to represent our passports. We should be able to use our passport to vote anywhere where we dey. If they say we'll be real giant of Africa, make we read more protest. Even if say we'll not be giant of Africa, for the fact we'll be citizens of Nigerians, we'll be citizens of any Africa country. We should be able to vote for anywhere for find ourselves around the world. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to understand. I beg you to see from my own point of view. I beg you. Let us be the change. I really appreciate all of you. I really like, oh God, may the good spirit bless each and every one of you for campaigning, for even thinking about it. Thank you very much. Thank you. May we be change in our own little way. Make we bring change come from where we from they come. Make we see other people the way that they do their election process. Make we introduce them to our people. Since the leader they feel say the ones where they has not know anything, we were there abroad we know something. We they see something. See Western world now. See the way that they vote. See as Nigerians they vote. See the big difference. Abroad where they use computer 24 hours, not seeing what they do for abroad where they not they use computer puts. They na battle that they sign, na battle that they votes. For Nigeria they say me you can't on print. We they use computer for house. We they use computer. If you want me everybody they thumb print. If you want make everybody they cast vote with thumb print. If you want make everything sweet, make we fix and where. Make we make and they rights. Make INEC, may they beg, may they call people for Western world normal security, may they call America security, may they call Western world security, Europe security to come guide their citizens. Even UN UN they angry for the killings wey happen for this election. UN is not happy with Nigerian politicians. UN is not happy. Our politicians, all of them they happy. All of them they happy. Hey, we don't win. We don't win. We don't win. All of them they happy. But the souls wey go, we not even see people where they campaign for. Nobody will give them better very grand. Nobody even know them. Just because of statutory money, they lose their life. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, make all of us try pick something from this election. Make all of us, I beg, make we try learn something from this election. Make we see things, mistake where some of my brothers and sisters do. Make we not repeat them again, my Nigerian brothers and sisters. Make we are beg. Make we are beg. Nobody deserve your life. Nobody deserve them where you want to lose your precious life for, apart from your lovely kiss. Only your kiss now deserve where you feel lose your life for. How any other person not deserve them. Your life today precious, so don't lose your life for anybody. Let this one be lesson. People will lose their life now because of election, because of that charity where they give them. They're not there to follow people where they fight for celebrate now. Make all of us learn something from this. Make all of us learn something from this election where it take place. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, hold your hashtag. This as the presidency don't just fresh now, so you start now. Make all of us are beg. Make we not stop. If you just wake up, you just not say we'll wait. Make it fair reach. Make it fair reach the time where they want to vote again. No, anytime you just remember, post hashtag hashtag Buhari, let us be able to vote in wherever we are. Pass the law to make us vote abroad. Pass the law to make us vote. Make all of us write down for hashtag Buhari, make us vote in abroad. Pass the law to make us vote in abroad. Hashtag Buhari, pass the law to make us vote in abroad. No, just they use that one till they shake social media. You will see even foreigners, outsiders go help us the share and make the world, make UN know. Say we want the vote, we want get say for our democracy. Now they say make everybody come out. They say make everybody come out for their country. Especially for Italy, especially for UN, UK, America. Thanks to Donald Trump, where Donald Trump they enter, raise this kung fu everywhere. Everybody they say make everybody go. Okay, now if we can say make we go, where we want to go back to when we not fix our house? You get passport, you not get passport, my brothers and sisters. They are fed up. They are tired of immigrants in their country. Make we fix our home. Make we go back home. Nobody fed they enjoy them. Let's fix our home by ourselves. If we no want go house empty-handed, make all of us go shake our embassy. Make we go shake our embassy. Since when this racist, this whether na sardine they call them, this sardine, Savini, when they enter politics, when they become vice prime minister, this Savini, everywhere just jaga for Italy. Since when what is that they call him, Donald Trump, they become president of America. See as hate through everywhere. See as everybody come they use social media, they share hate, they split hate, they bring out the beast way they people. Now they want to make everybody go their house. If we not quick with this small time what we get now, how we want to go stay for that country? How we where they come from abroad? How we want to cope? So make we are beg, make we where they abroad, make we fix our home by ourselves. I beg una, make we campaign, make we protest. I beg you, peaceful protest. Hold your banner for hand. Write anything where you want. Host time, even though only 5 of una, you really want change. With peace, with peaceful protest, you will see say they will fix our home. When we not dey talk, they will feel say we not dey feel the pain. When we not protest, they will feel say we not dey feel the pain. Now we give them power, make we abeg more collect this power from them. I beg you, if we really want change, let us cry out, because when you dey sick, you not go hospital, doctor not go fit committee for your house because he not even know whether you dey sick. Now so this our politicians be. When we not dey cry out, when we not dey talk out, see they will continue to dey take us like nothing. They will continue to dey live for their generation. Excuse me. They are beginning to live for their generation. So my brothers and sisters, I hope you understand. I hope you just free yourself. Not think, no reason I say we not win. We win. We come out for third position. Even as people come tell the talk, say they don't know for Nigeria. Now lay abroad they for know. If they don't know, we still come out for third. Just imagine 4 years time how it will be. So make all of us just open our beer, more begin to drink our beer, more begin to sip our beer. Who they drink Coke, begin to drink Coke. We really made it. We try. Third position not easy. It's not easy. You see, when I begin to see different name for where you come the contest, only me just sit down, you come the laugh. All these big one where they know. All these big one, APC, PDP, where they know, they finance all those small ones to take vote from the young ones where they come. Only then they run 4-5 campaign. Only them just to thief votes, just to make people not vote for young people where they come. Not be only Mr. Showore, not be young for there. There were other young people, but they just want to scatter the votes. They know say now let deny they know they don't know any other person. So the ones who go to these new people, this our new candidates, they split them. They throw away money where they for take help their citizens. They throw away them. So that takes me to all my superstars for Nigeria. I go say una heartless. I go say una they enjoy to see poor people they suffer. And now we, the poor people, now buy una music on a table. Now we where they suffer, where they sleep for gutter. We not see food eat, we go still manage buy on our music just to get hope. All those rich people don't know whether or not they exist. Now we put una for that position where una dey. What una do? None of all this celebrity, Nollywood celebrity, all the actors, all the I don't know what I want call una. None of una come at una need change. None of una campaign for any of the fresh party. What una they campaign for? Una they campaign for the big politicians who make us, where they patronize una, they for these states. Una they patronize them. Davido come and they campaign for PDP. Davido come and they campaign for PDP because your uncle there for PDP. You would for know your stock. You for know your stock because not be rich people they buy your music. Now the poor people where they suffer they buy your music, Davido. Now poor people now they buy your music. When you they feel now say you they wear maka, you they wear bling, you they wear all the gold, all the diamond way there for this world. Now your sweat, but if we not patronize you, you not go there for that place. Just they look and may you see if people vex they not buy your music, more see whether your family will give you money. Where you for the eat, you know they put inside, it must come down. It must come down. All our celebrity, no one promotes these young candidates. No one, all of them hide. This my handsome brother, I beloved this bros, this you Edoche. I beloved you bros, I love you well. But you can't come and say you use your own birthday, you dash person your birthday. You dash person your birthday. Now your birthday, you feel dash anybody. If you like, you dash ekbo. If you like, you dash bad spirit or good spirits. Now your day. But for when you know, say people more than 100 million they suffer for Nigeria because of PDP and APC. You know, so now that party, those two parties, I know they talking about people they bring come out nice spoil them. No, even though say now they spoil them, but that is not what I'm talking about. Now that two party. 9 people will condemn that Nigeria from come. Those two parties. you still stand with straight face, ask people, say you dash PDP. You dash PDP your birthday, make people use them. Make people vote for PDP to pay you your birthday. How many people you don't help? How many people you don't see where you come out for streets? Leave them for, I beg anybody where you know, I know say no watch this my video. Anybody where you know that man, where you know he Twitter, wanna help me answer the question. How many people you don't help? We the poor don't help you. Me, I go talk on with, in fact, my borrow mat stay talk on join. I help you. I help you because I rent your film there. I help you, I contribute to your success. You refuse to contribute to our success. You refuse to wipe our tears. You say no more, go vote for who they sell generator. How would they sell generator want to give us solar energy? How would they sell generator go want to make we get constant lights? And Mr. Uedoche. Why not just like, why not like corruption like this? Why? Mr. Showore, many celebrity, my great hero, a fella, he born better children. He let me know, say, that man blood now bonga. He make me know, say that man blood now bonga. See all of them come they celebrate with him. All of them come they celebrate with him. He go there, they welcome him. He gets many vote for Lagos. I believe say only that should rhyme. If they vote for Showore for Lagos, he will win. He try still beat other candidates for Lagos. All those new ones, so not be all those big ones where people don't know because they don't hear all these new ones. Now the old ones now they hear. No celebrity come out talk about this man. Wizkid, you hide when we don't dash you money finish. When we don't make you the wear bling bling finish. When we don't make you the carry ukuwe big pass you finish. When we don't make you the oh God, why it be like this? I be now so if person you can't get money, he just wants to just dey on top. He just want to look people for head. He go just forget where from they come. Timaya they show house for social media. Timaya they put blame for nyash. They waka like person where shit they nyash. Person where no fit. Person where no fit talk true again if shit they worry. With our money, with our sweat, I buy your music. You forget when you sing, say, they don't kill them, mama them, papa them, mama them, papa. You no can come out now. Make you tell people, say, una remember that time they kill our papa, kill our mama. We don't need them again. Make we vote for new person. More vote for new party. More vote for fresh party, fresh brain, fresh ideas. No, una not come out. Una not come out. You dey social media, they post up and down your words. They flaunt your words. You don't care about Nigerians, but if you sing music come out now, we the poor masses they buy am. If all of us go feel come together, make we not buy their music again, make we not play their music again, make we they help the new ones where they come. So make we see whether they go feel they fly up and down again, whether they'll feel come they intimidate people again, whether they'll feel come they'll come they look for who they want sign what did they call them for? Whether they go see somebody where they will snap picture with them again, they will just fall like another thing. They go fall. I been at see what savage you want to talk about. Now see what we want to talk about. Nobody sing. I been na what is that they call me? What is that they call of them? All these celebrities, all of them just enter inside where they not talk. All of them they wait, make all the aspirants come meet them for house because they feel say they don't be celebrity. Those aspirants who wanna feel say not be anything and they give una that money. Now they make una dey that position. Because una go they collect bribe from them because they give una money, una take they do una lunch, so una not fit talk against them. Make una sit down, make una think. Waiting all our young celebrities where we put for that position where they dey. When I just think now, this is my opinion, and I'm entitled to it. I don't believe say that position what will give them they deserve them. Because they just for poverty. They like to see people they suffer. Tiwa Savage, the one where I don't mention his name, no say they inside. Anyone where you know where you know say he no campaign. I not say make campaign for Ole Sowore. Other fresh candidate dey. Anyone will not campaign for them, anyone will not speak for them. No, say they are enemy of progress. No, say they are enemies of Nigerians. Yes, I said this. They be enemy of Nigerians. They be enemy of Nigerians. Yeah. Now they be. This what did they call this comedian? I don't forget his name. I go put him. He saying come on for Nigeria because they postpone election. He get message for INEC. Where you dey before INEC postpone? How many people you tell me they vote for Oshowore or other people, other new candidates? How many people you tell? Boss. How many people you tell? I go there, you dey there. How many people una help? Don Jazzy, when Igbo matter don't come, you come out. You know that music no say you know get part 2. Na Igbo, you promote Igbo. You promote Igbo now. Only this man, Charlie Boy. Only Charlie Boy. He single, he campaign, he do everything because he really feel for the poor. That one na second fella. Charlie Boy, God will bless you. God will bless your family for feeling the poor's pain, for feeling our pain, for feeling it deep inside you. He sing music, Joanna. He sing music, send message to Nigerians. If all these superstars wey feel say they don't get money now, where they do competition of private jets, where we use our sweat, we not get to, but we still dey feel for them because we feel say they still be like us. When they don't arrive now with our small money joined together, they forget us. They forget the masses. They forget the masses. If to say they just at least 2 minutes, at least no 1 minute, use and take sing. Believe me, everybody will listen to and send message, even though you not even mention who you want me to vote for. My musicians, my so-called superstars. If you not even mention, when I tell Nigerians say, Nigerians, peace, make peace there for the election. These people that they use now, make una not do this, make una not do that. To use and take send message as una they use uku and breast and women till they sing for music. Una use and take send message. Music not to send message, not be to come they show women private parts, not be to come they show women nyash, not be to come they say that uku. Not be to come they talk that one, not to send message. If to say una use una platform, they send message say vote for new fresh ideas. Nigerians will go and look for the new ones. Because they look on as heroes, they chop on our word, they believe on our word. No, una don't go take bribe up and down. Una don't go take bribe up and down. Una go take bribe up and down. Shame unto all of una. Shame unto all the superstars. Unto the ones where they add drama, the one where they sing music. All of una from A to Z, where no campaign for new face, for new fresh idea for Nigeria. We not fit for the poor. Say now PDP and APC they rule. Since where they conceive me, since dates, una still they campaign for them. Shame and woe unto all of una. That good spirits will make us give una. Make I not swear for una. Make I not swear for una because the thing they vex me. The way some people just they feel say, I not go. We be musician, we be artists, whatever. We don't need to pull mat for inside campaign. That kind of country when we be Nigeria now, celebrities not go pull mats. Where you there for constitution says not pull mats. Now that kind of country, one of the pass una fellow Nigerians, they seek for streets, they beg for streets. Children they do antara to eat. Not be to go school. This my sweet role model. I'm really sorry because I'm really pissed. That is the thing they vex me. You get one video for Omotola Instagram where somebody want me to Omotola. He say in daydream. I know say that one on. You know one person to think for Nigeria, you will decrease, you will run mad. The suffer way for Nigeria, they make people decrease. You want me to Omotola say Omotola na born out spiritual. Spiritually, Omotola na mama. Omotola say no way. Omotola they intimidate, and those people are the people where they watch Omotola film. Omotola no come out now, make you use the voice. They tell people, say, be wise. Just say be wise. Not endorse anybody. Just say vote new party. Nobody will kill una. Nobody will kill una. Nobody will kill una. I'm really, really angry. My brothers and sisters who believe on those people, who love all these musicians, all these actors, make una no verse. If una dey verse, una still know so una no need change. Because if una reason wetin I dey talk, so they suppose use their voice, they suppose use their music, they suppose use their platform to send message to Nigerians. If to say they sing, if to say they just add small drama, if to say they come together add drama, Nigerians for no say other new parties they not only come get them for it and only PDP and APC now they. This superstar they join with it corrupt Nigeria. They joined, all of them are the same. Pastors, celebrities, and politicians. They are all the same. They are all the same. So not just verse if you get anyone where you support inside, and not comot anyone. The ones where not support the newcomer, where not support the new face for this party. The ones where not use their platform. See Savage. They show Alekba body. They show you want go vote. You want go vote. Swear with Nigeria land. Say not be PDP or APC you vote for. Swear, say not be you vote for, because now that they give you money now, you not go launch, you go launch now. Now that they give you money now, not be that they give you money. Now that they give you money now, all the superstars where they not use their platform to make a video, take send message come and say other parties there, make they just tell Nigerians say other parties there. They begin come with the one government. I want to go and vote. I want to go and cut my votes. This is my PVC. Who cares about your silly PVC? Where you not care for us, where they for Europe, where you not care for your brothers, where they just keep because of election. If you not using a platform, they tell INEC, make INEC make it create security for those people who lost their life. I don't believe say they will lose their life. If better security day. If una they sing what they suppose they sing, say not be ukuna they sing. Say not be my shape is fine, my shape is good. Oh, look at me. People think I will not make it. If na better music of message now they send to people, they enter people's head. Because now only music will make us they remember things. Now music they there for. Not music not there for una to come tell us who we breast big pass or we ass big pass. I'm really sick, I'm tired of this celebrity. For real, I just can't wait. I see all of them, and all of them fail woefully. All of them fail woefully. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, where they outside Nigeria, where love these people, where they chop their word, where love their music, not to take it personal, not to get it personal, not to verse. Don't be angry, don't be versing. Don't be versing at all. Not your verse. Don't be angry, because if you really reason at my brother, if you reason at my sister, these celebrities, they join waiting make Nigeria jaga jaga. They join waiting make Nigeria jaga jaga, because if all of them they sing the corruption where they Nigeria, the reason why they sing, I believe say these people for that change. I believe say these people for that change. If they say they use their platform to promote new faces where they for this election, or use their platform to send message to the world, say, see, corruption won't kill us for Nigeria. I believe say UN for that come from for our rescue. Even when our president no one declare Fulani Esme, Boko Haram as terrorists, say they use and they sing. The ones where feel say they're famous now, the one where feel say people to follow them for their Instagram, where they don't want to use their Instagram or their Twitter feed to promote better thing. Believe me, you if they send that message out, if they just put hashtag, people will help them with the share them. Then the world go know say yes, corruption won't kill these people. If they really they pity for us, if they really they pity for you, we will come under this video now the verse or put thumbs down. If you put tongues down, that hand where you say put tongues down, my brother, I don't know you, but the good spirit know you. No say you are not willing to change. No say you just love and you they enjoy this suffering, and you they enjoy to see your brothers and sisters just the verse they kill themselves with pleasure. You they enjoy them. That is the joy within your body to see yourself they suffer. Not be here, my brother or my sister. For real. For real, I'm really angry. I'm angry for all this corruption, all this wayo, all this pretending say I love my country, one and not love una citizens. One and not love una citizens. Politicians, pastors, celebrities, musicians, actors, they are all the same, I just can't wait to see the results. What they want to do, and they want a campaign. I just exercise patience. All of them fail woefully. Now with your citizens, celebrities, Nigeria celebrities, shame to all of una citizens there. People where they patronize una, that they kill all of them for different states, that they kill all of them for different corner. All of them, they kill themselves for different corner. None of una release music put. None of the ones where die for all this election, none of una sing put. None of una talk put. Even though, you know me, so una must use everything to find money. Mona use and take send message. Una not already get money. People dey where mosquito be their roommate for that Lagos. People dey where mosquito, where rats, where don't be like rabbits, be their roommates. People dey. Una no need to get money for everything. Una just send message of peace out for once. Una send message of peace out for once. I dey shame for all of una. I dey shame for all the celebrities who are there for Nigeria. I'm really ashamed, and you people disgust me. You make me sick to, oh God. You make me sick. As people die rich for this election, none of una feel am. None of una even write rest in peace. None of una even bring picture, come out. None even say, this person are my poor citizens. None feel for the person. No. Una they look una wet. I go see whether they go bury all this wet una gets. I go see whether they go bury all this diamond and gold and this houses on they flaunt around. See celebrity. How many people die now for Nigeria? On the social media, they dance galala. They dance the latest style. When people they die for country one a day, it's a disgrace. Una be celebrity. All of una we not support new faces. All of una. Let me reserve my statements. Those say I don't talk half. No, this will not be all of them. Respect to all of you. Up AAC. Make all of us just to hold our zeal. Make all of us they happy. We come out for third position. Even as they do reach, as they rob our vote reach, as they say, oh, they're not going to know us, we should still come out for number third. So we should be happy. All AAC. Congratulations once again to Mr. Oshowore. Congratulations to everybody who participates for this election. Don't be fed up. When somebody fail for school, it just say make you work harder. So make all of us work harder. Make we expect good results next time. Now everybody, many people don't know Showore. Many people don't know Showore. So I believe next time it will be better. Next time it will be sweet. So let's all of us put it into prayer and pray for our president to be good this time. Make we not just the fire and. If we to fire him, you know, if we do anything. So let's join hands together and help him so that we can help Nigeria. Love you in the name of love. If this my video upsets you, not the celebrities, all the celebrities shade. The ones who don't be celebrities where they suffer like me, no shade. No, with no disrespect, my brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters, not be my brothers and sisters where they suffer like me and the turtle. All the celebrities, in fact, shade to all of you. Shade. All these Nigeria celebrities, shade. All the celebrities where they for Nigeria, actors, anyone at all, we no use their platform take free us from this rubbish, this suffering for Nigeria. Big shade to all of una. All my brothers and sisters where they support these people, no shade for real, no shade. I really no come here come disrespect una with no offense. Like, these people are really pissing me off. Just sit down, reason, and think and say what they really do is not fair. For another 4 good years of no change is really painful. It's really painful. I hope you understand. I hope you see reason with me. I hope you know I come with peace. I hope you just Take me for who I am. Forgive me if I bring out the beast in you. I repeat. So my brothers and sisters will not be celebrities. So my brothers and sisters will just see the hustle and struggle like me. We know what me suffer. We really they feel these things for outside Nigeria. Where they feel the heat for outside Nigeria. With respect to all of you, not be una. I just want to throw shade to I throw shade to all the celebrities for Nigeria. We not support new face, like seriously. Till I come your way next time, it's your first time of passing by, please do me a favor, subscribe to watch more of my video. Follow me up on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Don't get it twisted. Don't just get it twisted. Love you.